Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Roborock mopping pads. This is the Roborock Q7 Max Plus robot vacuum cleaner. It's got the mopping pad here. This box contains 2 of these washable mopping cloths. So this is kind of like a microfiber material. But what's nice about this is when these get dirty, I can put these in the laundry. And then I've got one that's ready to go. So let's take this bracket off of the robot vacuum cleaner. Make sure you turn your robot vacuum cleaner off by holding the power button. And then you're simply going to press these little tabs on the side right here, and it's going to slide straight back. And when you're done, that's how you put it on. Just slide it straight back. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to put the mopping pad on. So this is the cleaning surface. The side with the Velcro is going to go up against this side of the Velcro, and you're going to slide it into this track. So as you're looking at it, on the left-hand side, there's an opening. This is where you're going to start. And so you'll notice this gray material, there's like a rod that's sewn into there. You're going to put that rod in that track. And then it's simply going to slide. Make sure you slide it all the way and it stays in the track. Slide it all the way over. It's going to come to a stop. Then just kind of grab it a little, you pull it a little tight up against that Velcro so it's nice and flush. So here's what it looks like installed. You can see it's not sticking up too much. There's not like a big wrinkle or anything. The Velcro is catching. There's a nice big opening here. It's all in the track. Now it's ready to be installed. You simply just slide it upside down and it's going to slide in there till both of those click. Yeah, just like this. And we can take a look. This is how it looks when it's installed on the robot vacuum. Let's just measure the pad real quick. You can see they are exactly 11.5 inches wide that way. At its maximum, it's about 4 1/4, and it comes down, it's a half circle. So again, these work really well, and you can throw them in the laundry and then let them dry, and then you can put it right back on. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.